Welcome everyone to the Simon Says Stamp Card Kit Reveal and Inspiration for our latest card kit, and this is called Be Your Beautiful Self. We're introducing some brand new innovative product that we think you're going to love. The first thing you'll notice when you get your kit is that it includes one of the Simon Says Stamp zipper mesh bags, and it fits all the contents of your kit. You'll receive the Be Your Beautiful Self 6x8 clear stamp set, and this is full of amazing typography with really inspiring messages. We'll start with Believe You Can and You Are Halfway There, Shine Brightly, The World Needs Who You Were Made to Be, Make a Wish, Be Your Beautiful Self, Live Your Story, Love with All Your Heart, Hold On to Your Dreams, Hello, You Are Enough, Focus on the Good, Don't count the days, make the days count. Believe in yourself. Do what you love. Best day ever. Love you. I'm happiest when I'm with you. Collect beautiful moments. Find joy in the ordinary. Thinking of you. Thanks. Start each day with a grateful heart. In my heart. And the best way out is always through. And then towards the bottom, we have these solid shapes, and you can stamp a background and then stamp your messages on top. And up next, we have a really special curated palette collection of the new Tim Holtz Ideology 8x8 papers. And this is a collection of the reds, the pinks, and the orange of Tim's new palette collection papers. You'll receive 4 sheets of the red, also 4 sheets of the pink, and 4 of the orange. The first sheet of the red features those collage strips that you can cut up and mix and match onto your cards, and on the back side it has stacked alphabets. The next sheet features horizontal strips of some stamps, script, flowers, and also some of those collage strips at the top. And on the back side is a full sheet of postage stamps in those red tones. The next sheet has those horizontal lines with some flowers, those prints, and also a map at the top. And the back side features tickets in all those red tones. Then we have some florals going vertically with some stripes, and also a full sheet of ledger text. The pinks has this really dainty floral motif on the front side, and then on the back side it has a tone-on-tone, really another dainty image. This next sheet has those horizontal stripes with also some of those collage strip images at the top, and on the back side it's a pink background with a lot of the postage and some of that ephemera that you remember from your packs of ephemera. I love this sheet. It has the small postage all over with all of those colors and those pink tones, and the back side has a distressed pink background. And finally, this sheet features the horizontal stripes with some solid colors and those motifs, and also a game board on the top. This orange sheet features those collage strips all in one sheet. There's 5 rows, and on the back side it has those tones of wild honey and some of those really nice golden tones with tickets. This is a beautiful background of florals and vines and those greens and all those pops of orange. And on the back side is a tone-on-tone motif, once again great for a background for your cards. This next sheet reminds me of saltwater taffy with all of those beautiful collage strips mixed with some yellows and pinks, so it's an in-between. And on the back side it has that saltwater taffy look with alphabets going in different directions. And finally we have the horizontal strips, and it has a really nice distressed orange at the bottom, mushrooms, tickets, also some maps at the top, and on the back side is a full sheet of florals in that mustardy color. And now for the innovation. This is where collage meets card making. We have come out with these amazing templates, and these are used as a guide for you to place down individual cuts and clips of paper onto your cards. They are A2 size, and there are 5 of these templates included in a pack, and they're all different configurations so that you can easily make some collage cards using your papers and your stamps and dies. So I'm going to pull out a couple simple ones, and I'm going to show you exactly how these work. These layering templates can be used either horizontal or vertical, depending on how you want to make your arrangement. You can flip them over or any way that you'd like for your card. We have really thought out how we wanted our layering templates to be, so they are etched and they have little letters next to each of those shapes, and those letters will coordinate with one of the dies. So I'm going to show you, here's the die set. It has all those shapes plus some extras of hearts and butterflies. The dies, as I pull these out, they are also marked with the same number system. So that's a number 3, and on the die it has a number 3. So I know that this square die will go right into this opening on the template. And I can go through all of these and make sure that I match up those numbers to pull out the dies that I want to use for my card front. And you'll be receiving all of these dies and templates together in your card kit. I've cut my Desert Storm cardstock to an A2 size, and you can see my template fits just perfectly onto my card, and I have my dies in place along with a little butterfly in the center. So now I get to choose the papers that I want to work with. I love this floral sheet, and I think it'll be perfect to sit behind a butterfly. So now I can move my die around the paper until I find the area that I want to cut out for my first piece. Next, I'll use a little bit of tape to hold my die in place, and I can trim around the die and run it through my die cut machine. Once I have that die cut, I can return it to my card and template, and I can start choosing my paper for my butterfly. And once again, I can trim around my butterfly die, and I can run that through my die cut machine. And then I can set it on top of my first die cut to make sure that I like how it looks. And then with the layering template still in place, I can glue down my papers, and once I lift my template, I can see how my collage pieces look on my card base. And now on to the rest of this card kit. We also have a mini archival black soot ink pad, and that's perfect for all those messages in your stamp set. And to add some dimension to your cards and your collages, we're including some Simon Says Stamp foam squares. You'll also receive a selection of the large and small cello tapes from Tim Holtz. Those are perfectly translucent and amazing for your cards. You'll also receive 2 envelopes. The first one is Dandelion, and the second one is the Simon Says Stamp White, and they both have that peel away adhesive, so there's no lick 'em to stick 'em. We do have a couple specialty papers. These are the Tim Holtz Ideology metallic cardstock. This one's really beautiful. It almost has a pearlescent look to that black. So that is the black. And then we also have the rose gold, and that has a beautiful sheen with that perfect rose gold color. We have some sheets of cardstock. So we have our cream, Simon Says Stamp vellum, also Simon Says Stamp ivory, and then a sheet of Desert Storm heavy cardstock. And that's it for Be Your Beautiful Self card kit from Simon Says Stamp. And don't forget, that also comes with the Simon Says Stamp mesh bag. And up next, I have some cards from our designers. I finished off that card that I started earlier, and I added a message, some of the cello tape, and a little bit of white splatter. Kathy Zelsky created this sweet card using the pinks, and she put her message on top and lifted all those pieces of the collage up with the foam squares. I created another card using the pinks and reds together with my message right in the center, and cut out the heart and butterfly using the pattern papers and vellum. And before I go, I wanted to remind you of our free or discounted shopping opportunities. Valued subscribers have a chance each month to receive free U.S. shipping on a card kit subscription purchase. Simply log into your account, click Manage Subscription, and add additional products to your subscription shipment so that the order total is $100 US or more before 11 p.m. Eastern Time on the 15th of the month. International customers will receive $7.99 off their cost of shipping, with no code required. I hope you've enjoyed our reveal and inspiration of our latest kit, Be Your Beautiful Self. Be sure to check out our blog post for more inspiration and check the links below on how to purchase this kit. And as always, thanks so much for watching.
Hi there, I'm Heidi, Simon's mama and founder at simonsaysstamp.com. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you like what you just saw, be sure to press the thumbs up and subscribe to see more great content.